Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to announce the final award, the Voice and Data Telecom Person of the Year 2020. Known for his sharp business acumen, innovative insights, and extraordinary negotiation skills, he has emerged as the ultimate leader and the powerhouse behind many Reliance Industries success stories. Almost all key business moves, and for garnering the rupees 152,056 crore capital infusion in Jio Platforms Limited in 2020 by 13 global technology majors and investment firms. A fiercely capable business leader, he also played a crucial and strategic role enabling Reliance Jio Infocomm deliver breakthrough technologies and helped it build one of the world's leading integrated digital service platform. A hands-on serial builder of large projects. He is one of the stalwarts of the Indian telecom industry and has played a pivotal role in the phenomenal growth of Reliance Jio, both organically and by way of various acquisitions right from the inceptions. This had a big impact on India's digital ecosystem, driving sudden spurt in mobile and data users. And it has helped drive the new economy. It has also aims to help India bridge the digital divide and catapult the country amongst the developed nations. An outwardly diminutive man, but a fiercely capable business leader, he has quietly become one of the most powerful forces and an influential internal voice behind the shift of the Reliance's focus from petrochemical to internet technologies and the new age ventures that are riding on top of its pan-India 4G network with integration of multiple business, including the retail. He has also been responsible for nurturing, coaching, and mentoring the team and guiding them to build large-scale digital era sustainable businesses. The TLF Award 2020 jury and the editors of Voice and Data magazine were unanimous in their decision to recognize his futuristic vision, strategic thinking, and outstanding contribution in bringing Reliance Jio Infocomm to the forefront of India's ambitious dream of becoming a digitally connected nation, and is honored to confer the Voice and Data Telecom Person of the Year Award for the year 2020 to Mr. Manoj Harjivandas Modi. Here is a letter from Mr. Manoj Modi, Director Reliance Jio and Reliance Retail, accepting the Voice and Data Telecom Person of the Year Award for 2020. He was unable to join due to his other engagements. Thank you, jury, for recognizing our work in 2020. 2020 was a turbulent year. Jio's contribution was democratizing data and assisting 410 million countrymen work, learn, and heal. Our abilities stem from Mukesh's vision of identifying societal problems and nurturing teams that solve them at scale. This is what Sri Dhirubhai Ambani taught us. Your award, thus, is the mission given to us by Mukesh, our founding chairman, and to the team Reliance. Together, with digital as the pivot, we co-script India's tryst with $10 trillion economy. Thank you, Manoj Modi.